He's putting a camera on my face right at 6 a.m., bro.
Bro, you know I gotta film the intro of a video I'm never gonna post. Got the Bogatron 5000 out. You get that thing figured out or what?
Dude, I drained the gas, it was smelling so bad. He said it was like a bunch of condensation and bugs in there and shit.
Oh yeah, no shit.
I think they open at 9 today.
9?
Yeah.
Why are they getting up to all that?
Dude, and it's cold.
And it's cold? We don't need to be doing it on that 9 o'clock stuff.
Yeah, we'll get there when the track's all broken in. We're back to the truck though.
Oh, we lost the front.
That plume's not.
Oh, my tires are wet.
I really hope that got that on camera. Alright.
I'm on my sprocket right now.
I'll pull, you push.
Wait, where are we riding, Alex?
Masters Motoplex.
Oh, yeah, good.
Masters Motoplex. Gaston, South Carolina.
Yeah. I felt like I was in the car with the Supercross announcer AI voice. You know, that was...
The number 911 out of Vermont. Ethan
The boys are
Farmer.
fired up at 7-Eleven on a... We are fired up on 7-Eleven on a Saturday.
Physically, mentally, and emotionally scarred. This is fellas. You can call me the dog. Like Malcolm by any means with my gun.
Maybe it's prime time, actually.
Yeah, actually.
Might be prime time. Ooh. It might just be prime time.
Video through my phone. Look how sick it looks through the phone. It's so sad, Dad.
So sick. The stoke is high.
Oh, the stoke is high right now, dude. Oh, the triple's built
Oh, they
up.
built that face
That thing's
up.
huge.
Holy fuck. That thing looks so peaky now.
I gotta hit that bitch now.
But they built up the landing a little bit there, maybe?
I better have y'all's membership cards ready because I'm skipping the line, my boy.
What you hear, pussy? Big Jack. We beat you, bro.
We had to stop twice because the old man had to pee.
Is that you or Aaron?
Well, I had to pee.
You guys are both kind of getting up there.
I had to pee and then he needed gas. I'll come back. Let's go.
We beat him, bro. We beat him. Damn, dude, I'm a fucking idiot, bro. I was signing out the memberships. I gave him a 421.
I know. I was like, what the fuck is this guy doing?
Dude, I filled out the whole thing before I figured. I was like, why the fuck am I filling this out? Got the rich Kashima boys out here today. Life sure is sweet when you have Kashima code.
Well,
Sing the tune,
Just
dude.
when you know somebody that buys it, bro.
You can't hide money, bro. You just can't hide money.
Put the fucking camera down and help me on
Look at these guys. Look at these guys.
Put that fucking thing down. What's fucking away?
Big Jack, you back to ripping?
we'll see. Best I felt in 4 years. I called you to see. I wanted to go ride.
What did you call me, Big
I
Jack?
texted you like Monday or Tuesday.
Oh,
Said
you
how's
didn't
the
call me.
track looking?
You got a ring. Huh?
Will you help me unload?
Me help you
Yeah,
unload?
he's got to dump his load.
The Blues dogs out here.
Oh yeah, they rip. I love Palouse. They're my favorite.
Man, early bird gets the worm. You're trying to get at it right now.
Dude, I'm trying to go. So I was driving to get here.
I swear to God that cockroach just climbed out of this hole in my boot. Oh, there he goes. Oh, little buddy. Oh, he's sticking with us. That's insane, dude. I really hope there's not more roaches in my fucking boots.
Roached out boots.
These boots are really truly roached. Better than your ankles falling off. You're looking skinny, Jack. Damn, Jack.
I can't breathe, but how do I look?
You're looking fit as hell.
I'll be back.
We're gonna have to get you some 32s.
I actually wore them last week on accident. Almost killed me.
No, he's got 34s.
No, 34s I mean.
Those are what, 36?
36, but they're too big. But I accidentally put 34s, didn't know I grabbed the wrong pants because he gave me some, and I'm like, I've gotten fatter. Like, motherfucker. I was mad for about 5 minutes until I realized what I had done. Damn it.
I didn't know how this gear would be, so I guessed on the sizing and got a size too big. Did you get that MX sponsor thing? No, I just got it from someone. I like the stuff that fits. I like the stuff that fits. He's like, you mind if I go take it for a ride right now? Yeah, sure. TJ?
I guess.
Huh?
Yeah, I think he's about to come over. Pressure, dude.
You can't do it. Let's go back.
Huh?
Let's go back. Pop it. 1, 2.
There you go. Get over here, boy.
you, dude.
Stop for Mexican, and my boy's got pepper in his eye right now.
Oh my god.
You think the hater blockers are gonna fix your white boy can't handle a little Mexican spice in his eyeballs, bro?
Oh.
Can't handle his. Ooh, and you've been talking all this game about Latinas. You can't even get a little pepper in your eye. Ooh. Dude's driving like Ricky Bobby right now. He's just feeling it. Just feel.
Oh, that feels so much better, bro.
Just feeling the road, dude.
Oh my god. Get him, boys.
That's an ambulance, bro. They ain't getting shit.
They're about to get me in a second, bro.
Hey, come flush my boy out.
Oh. Bro. That water on the hands is not the move.
Dude, it just diluted the pepper that was already on your hand.
Oh my god.
And then whatever remnant was around the outside of your eye just washed it in your eye, bro.
Exactly, yeah. That's exactly what just happened.
Idiot.
Fuck you, dude.